Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Tuesday, March 18th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, this is my... Correct. And Jennifer is not here today. She is... You got it. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The dog's nose is wet. The dog's nose is wet. Nose. The thing that we use for smelling things. Now we can make a flashcard for nose. We use it like this. My nose. Your nose. Bob's nose. Please write nose up here in the top left corner. N-O-S-E. Down here in the bottom left corner, B-D-Y, 1. This means body, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 19 out of 25. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. O. No. Nose. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is absent today. Jennifer is absent today. Absent. She is not here. She did not come to school today. Now we can make a flashcard for absent. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. Be absent. We use be because it is an adjective. Down here in this corner, A1. This means adjective, level 1. And over here the number 1 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Absent. Absent. Game over. You did really well today. Today we learned I am touching my nose. Very good. And Bob is not here today. He is absent. Correct. We hope he is okay. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? Shade. Very good. Similar to shadow, but shadows are countable. Shade is uncountable. Number 2, please repeat. A used car. Yeah, for example, it is not a new car. And number 3, to do something seldom. Yes, this means not very often. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card.